What's up, everybody? Mr. Baldman here. Welcome back to Trivia Time with Mr. Baldman. I'm hitting the studio hard in 2026, and I'll be releasing at least 2 episodes weekly of this very podcast. So be sure to sub and follow if you haven't already. If you need some more trivia, I just released my book, Mr. Baldman's Ultimate Trivia Book. 1,600 amazing trivia and facts. You can pick it up on Amazon or use the link in the show notes. The ebook right now is under $4, so go pick it up. It's over 300 pages of fun trivia from 15 different categories. Go check it out. Today's episode is all about animal trivia. 100 awesome questions to be exact. If you're new here, here's how it works. No long stories, no rambling, just questions and then answers back to back. If you need to pause it, that's fine. Are you ready? Let's roll. Number 1, what is the largest animal known to have ever lived? It's the blue whale. Number 2, what is the largest living land animal? It's the African bush elephant. Number 3, what is the fastest land animal in short bursts? It's the cheetah. Number 4, what bird is widely recognized as the fastest animal when diving? It's the peregrine falcon. Number 5, what is the only mammal capable of true powered flight? It's bats. What is the largest species of shark for question 6? It's the whale shark. Number 7, which animal has 3 hearts? It's octopuses and other cephalopods like squid. Number 8, which animal has blue blood due to copper-based hemocyanin? It's octopuses and other mollusks. Number 9, what is the only living mammal that lays eggs? It's monotremes, such as the platypus and the echidnas. Number 10, what is the largest living reptile? That would be the saltwater crocodile. Number 11, what do you call an animal that maintains a stable internal body temperature mainly through metabolism? They're endothermic. Number 12, what do you call an animal whose body temperature largely matches its environment? They're ectothermic. Number 13, what is the study of reptiles and amphibians called? It's herpetology. Number 14, what is the study of insects called? It's entomology. Number 15, what is the largest living bird species by height and weight? It's the ostrich. Number 16, what is the only group of mammals with true horns that are not shed in most species? There are bovids like cattle, goats, and antelopes. Number 17, what is the name for animals that are active at night? They're called nocturnal. Number 18, what is the name for animals that are active at dawn or dusk? They're called crepuscular. Number 19, what is the name for animals active during the day? They're diurnal. And number 20, which animal is famous for producing electricity strong enough to stun prey? It's an electric eel, which is wild because it's not even an eel, it's a knife fish. Number 21, what is the largest living amphibian? It's the Chinese giant salamander. Number 22, what is the term for an animal that eats both plants and animals? It's an omnivore. Number 23, what's the term for an animal that eats only plants? It's an herbivore. Number 24, what is the term for an animal that eats other animals? It's a carnivore. Number 25, what is the only bird known to hover in place for extended periods? It's a hummingbird. Number 26, what is the unusual about a giraffe's neck compared to humans? It has the same number of neck vertebrae, 7. Number 27, what is the largest primate? It's the eastern gorilla. Number 28, what is the smallest living bird by mass? It's the bee hummingbird. Number 29, what's the term for animals that give birth to live young? They are viviparous. Number 30, what's the term for animals that lay eggs? They are called oviparous. Number 31, which mammals are known for echolocation? So bats and toothed whales, such as like dolphins. Number 32, what is the largest group of animals by number of described species? It's insects. Number 33, what is the only continent with no native land reptiles? It's Antarctica. Number 34, what is a group of lions called? It is a pride. Number 35, what is a group of crows often called? It is a murder. Number 36, what is a baby kangaroo called? It's a joey. Number 37, what is a term for an animal with a backbone? They are a vertebrate. Number 38, what is the term for animal without a backbone? It is invertebrate. Number 39, what is the hard outer covering of insects called? It's an exoskeleton. Number 40, what is the process where a caterpillar becomes a butterfly called? It's metamorphosis. Number 41, what is the largest living cat species? It's the tiger. Number 42, I'm going to see if you were paying attention. Which big cat is known for living in groups called prides? It's the lion. Number 43, what do you call the seasonal movement of animals from one region to another? It's a migration. Number 44, what type of animal is a Komodo dragon? It's a monitor lizard. Number 45, what is the term for animals that eat mostly insects? They're called insectivores. Number 46, which animal is famous for having the strongest bite force among living animals? It's the saltwater crocodile. Number 47, what is the primary purpose of a camel's hump? It's for fat storage. Number 48, what is the largest living marsupial? It's the red kangaroo. Number 49, what is the largest living rodent? It's the capybara. Number 50, what is the only mammal with scales? It's the pangolin, and we've reached the halfway point. Are you still with me? How are you doing? Okay, let's keep it going. Number 51, what are dolphins? Are they fish or mammals? They are mammals. Number 52, what is the main gas inside most fish swim bladders? It's oxygen. Number 53, what do you call a fish that lives in both fresh and salt water during its life cycle? They're diadromous. Number 54, salmon are best described as which type of diadromous fish? They're anadromous. Eels like the European eel are best described as which type? They're catadromous. Number 56, what is the fastest animal in water among commonly cited speeds? It's the sailfish. Number 57, what organ do sharks use to detect electrical signals from prey? It's called the ampulla of Lorenzini. Number 58, what is a group of wolves called? It is a pack. Number 59, what is a group of whales commonly called? It's a pod. Number 60, what is a group of geese called? There's actually two answers for this one. On the ground, they are called a gaggle. If they are in flight, they are called a skein. Number 61, which animal is known for having a prehensile tail used like an extra hand? Many New World monkeys. Number 62, what is the largest species of bear? It's the polar bear. Number 63, which bear species is generally considered the smallest? It's the sun bear. Number 64, what is the animal class that includes frogs, salamanders, and caecilians? It's amphibia. Number 65, what is the animal class that includes snakes, lizards, turtles, and crocodilians? It's reptilia. What is the animal class that includes birds for question 66? It's aves. 67. What is the animal class that includes humans, dogs, whales, and bats? It's mammalia. Number 68. What does it mean if an animal is venomous? It means it delivers toxins through a bite, a sting, or a similar method. Number 69. What does it mean if an animal is poisonous? It means it's harmful if eaten or touched. Snakes are venomous. Some frogs are poisonous. Number 70, what is the largest living turtle species? It's the leatherback sea turtle. Shout out to Florence. Number 71, what is the only mammal to have venomous spurs? It's the male platypus. Number 72, what are the closest living relatives of birds among reptiles? They're crocodilians, such as crocodiles and alligators. Number 73, what is the largest living penguin species? That would be the emperor penguin. Number 74, what do you call animals that live in water and on land? They are amphibious. Number 75, what is the largest living species of deer? It's the moose. Number 76, what is a baby horse called? It's a foal. Number 77, what is the biological term for a warm-blooded or endothermic animal? It's called homeothermic. Number 78, what is the term for animals' role in its ecosystem, like predator, scavenger, or pollinator? It's called its ecological niche. Number 79, what is the largest living snake by weight? It's the green anaconda. Number 80, what is the longest snake species by length? It's the reticulated python. Number 81, which animals are known for true tool use in the wild? There's chimpanzees and crows. Number 82, what bird is famous for using sticks as tools in some populations? It's the New Caledonian crow. Number 83, what animal is known for playing dead as a defense mechanism? It's the Virginia possum. Number 84, what is unique about the possum among the North American marsupials? It's the only marsupial native to the United States and Canada. Number 85, what is the name of the process where birds replace old feathers with new ones? It's called molting. Number 86, what is the name for a bird's lightweight but strong bone structure adaptation for flight? They have pneumatized or air-filled bones. Number 87, what do you call a relationship where both species benefit? It's called mutualism. Number 88, what do you call a relationship where one benefits and the other is harmed? It's called parasitism. Number 89, what do you call a relationship where one benefits and the other is mostly unaffected? It's called commensalism. Number 90, what is the term for animals that eat dead animals? Scavengers. Number 91, what is the main reason flamingos are pink? It's because the pigments from their diet. Number 92, what is the largest living coral reef on Earth? It's the Great Barrier Reef, and it is visible from space. Number 93, what is coral scientifically? Is it a plant, a rock, or an animal? It's an animal. Number 94, what animal can regrow a lost limb as a normal part of its biology? Many salamanders, including axolotls. Number 95, what is the name for an animal that has a backbone and a skull, but no jaws? They're like jawless fish like lampreys and hagfish. Number 96, what is the largest living species of frog by mass? It's the Goliath frog. If you haven't seen one of these, Google it. They are massive. Number 97, what is the primary function of whiskers in many mammals like cats and seals? It's sensing touch and vibrations. Number 98, what is the term for animals that live inside another organism and harm it? They are parasites. Number 99, what is the largest animal group that includes crabs, insects, and spiders? They're arthropods. And 100, what is the name of the animal group that includes octopuses, snails, clams, and squid? They're mollusks. Well, that is that. 100 animal questions to feed your burning curiosities. If you want more, find me on social media at Mr. Baldman and follow the podcast so you don't miss the next drop. This has been Trivia Time with Mr. Baldman, and I'll see you in the next episode.